Welcome back to another week of VPTrade Daily Financial News. We're kicking off your Monday with the latest market insights. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And in market news, share markets in Asia are seeing mixed results as we start the week. Investors are keeping a close eye on U.S. economic data due later this week, including the December payrolls report expected on Friday. Analysts anticipate a rise of 150,000 jobs, with unemployment steady at 4.2%. Meanwhile, political uncertainty looms in Canada as reports suggest Prime Minister Justin Trudeau might resign today, nudging the US dollar down 0.3% against the Canadian dollar to 1.4404. Stay tuned for updates as these events unfold. And in Forex news, the US dollar is holding firm near a two-year peak, driven by strong Treasury yields, which touched 4.631%, just shy of last week's 8-month high. The Federal Reserve's upcoming minutes and comments from key policymakers, including Governor Christopher Waller, are expected to shed light on rate cut expectations for 2025. Meanwhile, the euro remains under pressure at $1.0315, and the yen trades cautiously at 157.70 per dollar. Analysts are watching closely as these movements could set the tone for the week ahead. Now to global stocks. European futures are looking steady with Euro Stoxx 50 futures up 0.3% and the DAX gaining 0.2%. However, US futures are showing little movement ahead of earnings season, which kicks off January 15th. Goldman Sachs notes that the S&P 500 delivered a 25% return last year, largely driven by just 5 stocks. With bond yields climbing, this week's earnings reports and economic data will be crucial for market direction. And in commodities, gold remains steady at $2,635 an ounce as investors await U.S. economic data that could influence the Federal Reserve's stance on interest rates. On the energy front, oil prices are under slight pressure. Brent crude slipped to $76.30 a barrel, and WTI dipped to $73.77. While colder weather in the Northern Hemisphere has boosted demand, a stronger US dollar and supply concerns from sanctions on Russian and Iranian oil are keeping investors cautious. That's a wrap for today's headlines. If you found this useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow for more market updates. Have a productive Monday.